In this video, let's see the BMW G30 wheel spaces before and after. After installing the 12mm wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tire and fender, which improves the cosmetic and stability. Most BMW G30 look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced and tires flush to the fender. If you are trying to achieve a unique sporty appearance, consider a proper set of 12mm wheel spacers. BMW 12mm wheel spacers will add about 12mm back spacing for your wheels, whether you upgrade to larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes. Keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 12mm wheel spacers on each wheel, that adds a total of 24mm track width. You don't need to worry about the wheels hitting the fender after installing the 12mm wheel spacers. If you're worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacer comes with a half-century lips as a transition point. The protrusion may stick out the half-century lips of the spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacers with thinner half-century lips. BONOSS half-century 12mm wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 12mm spacers, there will be no problem. The precision of BONOSS 12mm wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise 12mm wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantees safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. 12mm wheel spacers fit the BMW G30 perfectly. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly. I personally like this out stance. If you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your BMW G30 front wheels, you can install the 12mm wheel spacers. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.